guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today it's Christmas in July, and I am celebrating by having some new junk journal kits in my shop, in my Etsy shop. And these kits will include one little golden book complete with all the pages, and they're vintage. I don't have any real old ones, but they are, all of them are at least the vintage mark, at least 20 years old. So I'm going to show you one of the kits in this video and kind of go through what you will get with it. And this one is really cute, the 12 Days of Christmas. This one is from 1983, and it's a really cute book. Just super adorable. It's got some bends in it, but it has that vintage charm. I have several other books. There are Rudolph. I'll pull some out here. I have this one, it's Frosty the Snowman, and this one is from 1992. I also have a Rudolph one, like I said. I have, oh, here's another one. I'm grabbing it out of my bag. The Animals Christmas Eve. This one is from 2005. So that one is on the new end. But then I have three others, and by the time you see this video I should have all of them up. But I'll have several styles. They'll all be different listings, and I'll have everything laid out so you'll be able to see what you get. But the kits include one little golden book, Christmas, and then 100 pieces of ephemera, and all of it, there's just a few items that are kind of just generic, and then the rest of it is Christmas, and most of it is vintage. There is some new things like some scrapbook papers and other items in here that you'll see, but they're a lot of fun. Tons of stuff. You can totally make more than one journal out of all this stuff. So yeah. So I'm going to go through it now and show you, what you get. So there's this book here. You'll get some wrapping paper pieces. This one happens to have these. And then you'll get a stack of 6x6 Christmas papers. Some of them are double-sided. Let's see if there's any double-sided in here. I think these are all single-sided ones, but just a variety. And then this has a couple cut-apart tags to go with it. So that's fun. I also did some tea or coffee stained paper dyeing, and I used a Christmas tree cookie sheet that I had, so each one will have a piece of this in it. And then the generic items will be some vintage shorthand book page, a vintage paper from elementary school, composition notebook page, and then a Yahtzee and another plain card score pad sheet, and then a doily, a couple Monopoly game pieces, and this phone call little sheet there. You'll get, each one will have a vintage Christmas recipe card. There'll be a napkin or two. Each pack has a different amount of items, but they all have 100 pieces. There'll be several really cool envelopes that all have really cool prints on them, and some of them have matching Christmas cards. So this one's really cool. And the cards are not used, at least these are. These aren't. There'll be a few random little envelopes. Here's another little card. This is a cute card. Just a variety of things. Here's another card. This one is really cool. It has the card and then the matching envelope. I think this one goes with that other card that I showed you, and this one I think goes with the other. And then here is one of the longer envelopes. There's also at least one Christmas glassine bag in there, or not glassine, but like the clear bag. It has a piece of paper in it to show the pattern, but that's in there. This one happens to have a glittery snowflake and this reindeer little clip. Let's see. They should all have one really vintage piece of a Christmas card. So this one has this one real old. I think maybe 50s or older. And then there's a stack of papers, vintage coloring book pages and things. So I'll go through what's in this one. So there's this stationery page. This, let's see, coloring book page. This is a Christmas recipe from an old magazine. A colored, in one of those paint by water paint pages that has been colored. A vintage piano music book. This is a vintage Sesame Street Christmas page. More coloring, another coloring book page there. This is an old, looks like a craft book, kids craft book page. More, oh, this is like a clip art book, an old clip art book from the 80s. So there's a couple sheets of that in there. And then more coloring book, color by number there. Several of them. There's a Rudolph page. Another snowman. Here's a dot to dot. So a bunch of those. Let's see here. It's a workbook page. This looks like it's a page from an ideals book. And then another coloring page. Here are some Christmas book pages, some vintage ones, a sheet of tags, sticker kind. Here's some old, like, small little coloring book workbook pages. This is a really cool book that has the paint down here that you just use with water. I thought that was cute. And then here's a couple more old Christmas book pages. A little notepad page and another vintage book page there. And then there's a stack of little tinies. So vintage gift tags, and this is a newer one but really cute. It's a gift tag, but it kind of looks like an ornament. There's a couple milk caps in here, Christmas ones. Some more gift tag stickers, little stickers there. Bunch of different kinds of tags. This is like a calendar countdown. And then there's some Christmas card, vintage playing cards. I think these are like the days of Christmas, I'm not sure. Then there's these, Go Fish. That one's really cool with Santa. These are other different playing card. It's like Santa's Sleigh Ride. These are from games. There could be one or two recipe card those in there. And then there's a vintage transparency Kodachrome, so that's in there. And then a Monopoly Deal red one to kind of coordinate. Yeah, so that is what you will get. But there'll be an arrangement pretty much the same, but you'll be able to see that in the listing. As well as these ephemera packs, I'm also running a sale on all my Christmas items in my shop, the ones that I've had previously listed. So I'll have them at 15% off. So if you want to go ahead and check out my Etsy shop, I'll have the link down below. And yeah, and go ahead. I have a series out right now on how to make a board game junk journal, and so I think you'll really enjoy that. I'm up to 4, I think, now. So yeah, go ahead and check the link for that down below as well. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.